Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very special piece of silver to unpackage. Now before we go any further, I'm going to get myself a glass of whiskey. I've actually got some Wild Turkey 101, courtesy of World Money Wins for recommending this really nice tasting bourbon whiskey. Got the light up ice cubes today for today's video, because like I said, it's a very special video. This was actually sent to me from the New Zealand Mint, and I was only in contact with them about 3 days ago now. So really quick delivery, and this is definitely something that a lot of you are going to really like the look of, especially Cobra Stacker. He is going to really enjoy this piece. I'm just going to have a quick sip of my whiskey. Cheers CPM. Right, let's get into today's unboxing. Now like I said, although I'm doing a 365 days of saving money challenge, there are still going to be unboxings on this channel, and this is a prime example of something that I wasn't expecting to have, but I was in conversations with New Zealand Mint and they offered to send me something to showcase on my channel. Now there is going to be a link to this piece in the description of today's video, but I do not benefit financially, apart from obviously keeping this piece. I do not benefit from any future sales of this product. Now I've actually seen the pictures and I know what to expect, but I think you're really going to like this. If it looks anything like the pictures, even half as good as the pictures that I've seen, this is a really special piece. And like I said, I'm so excited to see how it looks. I'm going to take it off camera because there's going to be no doubt an invoice in here. Wow, this box is really nice. Look at that box. No, there's actually no invoice, so that's perfect. But look at that. Look how classy that looks. We haven't even got into the coin yet, and already that looks really nice. Now I think that's going to be the thumbnail. If we put that like that, put that central, move the candle there, and I think we have just created the perfect thumbnail for today's video. And like I said, if this looks half as good as it does in the pictures on the website, then we're really in for a treat today. Wow, look at this, really nicely presented. Look at that. Wow, that is really securely packaged. Got some more of these for Cobra, although the war, I feel it's stopped now, because he has recently sent me something, and from what I can see, I don't know why I'm taking all those out individually instead of just taking this out instead. From what I can see, what he has sent me, it hasn't got much packaging to it. And I also sent him a copper bar and I put minimal packaging. So I feel like we've come to an agreement, a peace agreement, and we are no longer continuing the war. So I enjoyed it while it lasted, but it did get to a stage where it was very quickly going to get out of hand. Wow, look at this. Now this is actually a coin from their new series, Women in History. Now you can see this is the Cleopatra 1 ounce silver coin. And there's a number of these coins in the series that have been released. And by far, in my opinion, this is the most beautiful of them all. So I'll be interested to hear your thoughts if you agree. Right, so how's it open? So this is magnetic. Wow, look at that. Now, I'm not normally a massive fan of colorized coins, and you'll see that I don't have many colorized coins in my collection, but this, wow, this is truly something. Look at this. What an absolutely stunning piece of silver. Now, what I love about this is the whole coin isn't colorized. You have kind of half the coin that's colorized and the other half has this mirror finish. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. Cleopatra on there. You've got a nice design in the background, and you can see at the top there it says 1 ounce 3/9 fine silver. And if we go to the other side, again we've got a nice mirror finish, bit of a plain background, which is always a shame on some of these coins when they have such a nice design on the front. It's always a bit of a shame when you flip it over and it's a bit of a anti-climax, but nevertheless this is a stunning piece of silver. And like I said, this is something that I think Cobra Stacker is really going to like. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. Now let's get into the stats behind it. You can see there it says 3/9 fine silver, weight is 1 ounce, the year is 2023, and the mintage is only 2000. There's only 2000 of these released in the series, and I really like this presentation box. You've got this bit of foam here that stops it from falling out, flips over, magnetic, really sturdy as well. It doesn't kind of bend in at all. It's not like a cheaply made cardboard box. It's really sturdy. You can see you've got a nice certificate of authenticity on the back there. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. Really nice. Now I'm actually going to pop open the capsule, and I wouldn't recommend doing this with these more collectible coins, but for the purpose of this video I do think I need to show it in all its glory. And wow, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Wow, incredible detail there. Now like I said, I'm not a massive fan of colorized coins. I've probably only got around, I would say, 5 colorized coins in total in the entirety of my stack. So you can see I'm not normally a massive fan of them, but every now and then one comes along like this and it's just amazing. Really nice. And like I said, I really like the fact that it's got the mirror background, and I like the fact that the rim is silver as well. There's not too much colour going on. There's just enough to really make it pop. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. Please do let me know what you think about this coin in the comment section below. Is this something that you would add to your stack? Or do colorized coins really not do it for you? And like I said, I will leave a link to this coin in the description of today's video if you're interested in picking this up. And considering this has come from across the globe, all the way from New Zealand Mint, it only took 3 days for this to arrive. So incredible service. And like I said, it's the first time I've actually ordered anything from the New Zealand Mint, and I'm really impressed. What a gorgeous box as well. So we're going to pop it back in its box. And I really like the fact that this goes on top and it keeps it nice and protected and nice and padded. Stunning coin, really nice. I'm definitely going to look into the other coins in this series because I really do like power to the women. You can see that we've got 7 stacks sticker still in the backdrop of my videos, and that is to promote the ladies in the stacking community. There's not enough female stackers in the community, in my opinion, and I've touched upon this in many videos in the past. I do think that if you watch my videos and you stack precious metals and you're thinking about making a YouTube channel but you're on the fence, please do drop me an email. I'm more than happy to help get you started, help promote your channel, help with thumbnails, description, tags, whatever it may be. It'll just be so nice to see some more female stackers in the community. And I'm yet to stumble across a UK female content creator that stacks precious metals, so please reach out if you are from the UK and you'd like some help. So as always, thanks very much for all the support. I hope you found this video interesting. I hope you liked today's coin. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. This is one of those coins that I'd really like to keep in the backdrop of my videos to showcase, but at the same time I don't really want it to get damaged, so I do feel like I need to put it into the deep stack because it's absolutely stunning. Really nice. Fantastic. And that is what you call a work of art. When you're buying a piece of silver like this, you're not buying a bullion piece of silver. You're paying a slight premium because you're basically buying a work of art. So yeah, like I said, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support. A big shout out to all of the 365 channel members. I raise my glass to you. Thank you very much for all the support. And I hope you have a very nice day.